Good cat lady. We're in search of cats here at the beach today to answer a question from Russell. He wants to know if cats get sunburned. So where better to find a cat with a sunburn? Let's go. Kitties! Kitties! Hi! You're not a cat. Okay. Believe it or not, your cat can tan. They don't need beach, they don't need sand. If they're white, light, or bald, they are more susceptible. Soft-shelled crab, potato chips, cereal, and fried chicken are delicious and crispy, but that's not what you want for your kitty. That's not what you want for your kitty. Check with your vet to get pet-safe sunblock. Smear it on their ears and nose. Keep them from prolonged exposure. Keep them inside between 10 and 4. Lettuce, wontons, bacon, and cream, tempura, popcorns, onion rings are acceptable when crispy, but that's not what you want when you're kitty. That's not what you want for your kitty. Soft-shelled crab, potato chips, cereal, and fried chicken, lettuce, wontons, bacon, and cream, tempura, popcorns, onion rings are acceptable when crispy, but that's not what you want for your kitty. That's not what you want for your